BULL stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Webull, it's already, I mean, it kind of crashed. 10% correction is not the best, not the worst, but honestly speaking, man, it was just in a supply zone, right? And this is what I was talking about. Since it broke structure, I was like very open-minded to take it further up, but I just got hit with reality. I mean, there is no trades taken, so that's good. Like, no losses, no wins. Like, even when you don't take trades, you're ahead of the curve because you're not losing, right? Because more than half of the people are actually losers in the market. And I mean, that's not obviously, like, if you want to make money, you got to take the risk. But in this case, it's definitely a clever way to just stay ahead by not even trading. I mean, I'm still going to stick to my edge draft test for 43,000 videos. And for me, since we kind of had this 10% correction, if there is a double break, this can be a sell side opportunity as well. But notice how I'm not just going to assume, and I'll let time do its thing and then see what's going to be the case, you know, what I'm going to buy or not. So if you want my exact play and all that good, yeah, just click the first link in the description. To 100 people have already tried it. Absolute risk free to get to those 5-10K months. See you in the next one. It's risk free.